Sellers hate hearing this, but it's true. Replacing all the things in your home won't increase the value like you think it will. Let's say you buy a home and you add a $40,000 roof. Is your home now worth $40,000 more? Probably not. Buyers, they expect the basics to already work. The roof, the AC, the electrical, and the plumbing. These things are not necessarily an upgrade. It's really maintenance. Maintenance protects value. It doesn't necessarily create it. And that's a hard truth that most sellers need to know. Follow along for more tips.